In early summer, when my Japanese rice fish were actively breeding, I took a tiny water hyacinth from my patio pond and moved it into a plastic crate where I grow aquatic plants. This crate has submerged plant pots in it and has been left outside for over a year, allowing natural bacteria to develop and make it a stable environment. Since this water hyacinth came from the fish pond, even though it's tiny, it likely has some eggs on it. By the way, water hyacinth is classified as a noxious plant in Australia. It's illegal to trade it, so you can't get it if you are in Australia. These ones I had were already growing in my backyard pond when we bought a house. Japanese rice fish often lay their eggs on this plant. Of course, they will lay them on other aquatic plants too though. Within a day, I started spotting tiny fry hatching. They are super tiny and hard to spot at first, but they are easier to find when they are swimming near the surface. I don't know exactly how many they are, but they are definitely more than 20. The water in the crate was clear, not the recommended green water rich in microorganisms for raising fry. However, it still contained organic matter, so I decided to let them grow there. Ideally, fry should be fed powdered food 4 to 5 times a day, but I didn't have that kind of time, so I just fed them twice, sometimes even once if I was busy. This time, honestly, I took a lazy way to raise them, so I didn't give them much live food, so they grew slowly, but they still developed gradually. Thanks to the warm weather and all the nutrients from the fish waste and leftover food, the aquatic plants thrived. Occasionally, I trimmed them down to make sure the fish still had enough space to swim. There are probably eggs attached to those pieces of plants I've just trimmed. If I leave them in water like this, new baby fish will likely hatch again. After a while, I noticed that 4 of the fish grew way faster than the rest, creating a big size gap. To avoid them from out-competing the smaller ones, I moved those 4 back to my main pond. The smaller ones that stayed behind kept growing steadily after that. From that one tiny plant, enough fish have grown to fill this crate with life. I'm not sure of the exact number, but I estimate around 15 to 20 fish are swimming in there now. Since this crate holds 45 liters and always has at least 30 liters of water in it, so technically the number of fish is still okay, but the bigger space is always better, so I might move them to the bigger patio pond at some point. These fish are young adults now, meaning they can actively breed. But since the tank looks already busy, I doubt their numbers will increase much here. When there are too many adults, newly hatched fry are likely spotted and eaten, preventing overpopulation. Interestingly, when Japanese rice fish from the same batch grow up together, about 2 years later, they tend to reach the end of their lifespan around the same time. But once the adults start to disappear, more babies will survive, keeping the cycle going. The nature really has a way of keeping everything in balance. I think it's amazing.